Hey guys, today I'm going to be getting ururun because I have two CPUs. Yeah, I'm going to get this right now. Or I should probably do just right before I go in. Oh my gosh! I got the ururun wolf! No way! Got ururun wolf. I never told y'all, but I got a bike tricycle. And we're gonna get the true one. Unicycle. This is just a user egg dump. I'm pretty sure ururun wolf is in yellow. Holy folks, bet. User egg dump. Bro, it's not that good. Yay. I guess that's gonna be all of it then. I guess. Also, I'm continuing and introducing check with you. I'm at Kenya right now. This boy was easy. I think I do the carry though. Yeah, pretty much. Well, I don't know, but I know I used 3 Ubers. So yeah, it was Uber carry. This Uber carry though. The whole game. 4 aliens for me. Dog guys. Yeah, I used to do this a lot. Anyway, no. Because it can attack. It only attacks alien and floaty. Second form, angel and alien. That's a true form. Makes it attack traitless. It attacks alien all the time, though. But it can attack traitless, which is really good. So I'm gonna go now. Bye.